everyone and good morning my friends from Zimbabwe. Today I do have a simplest tutorial to show you the ideas behind all these types of beats which are made there in Zimbabwe. And today I decided to share you the tips and ideas which I used within this tutorial. So pay attention to the way how I played it. So without talking too much, let us enter in the melody sections after the drums, and we will play the entire tutorial to see how the melody sounds. It is up to you to decide if it is good or if it is not good. So if you want this project also, I will send it for free. Just subscribe to my channel. I'm here to help you for free, my friend. So let us start our tutorial for today's video. Okay, here we do have the drums. As for those people who follow me, they know that I like to remove all the projects, the melodies, and I remain with the drums, and I start the new projects from the all the drum. Let us play to hear how it sounds. Very simple. Here we do have a kick, here we do have a hi-hat, also here we have a shaker, here we have a clappy. This part is for you to draw the drums, the melodies, everything else that is your creativity, it's your tips, it is your idea. For example, in this party, while it's for you to draw to select the plugins or the plugins which you want to be played here. So if you find this tab and you go down here, if you find this black space, just click with the right button of your mouse, that it will display information like this. For example, if you find this information, these are the plugins which you might be using for your melodies. For example, you can select the reed drum to make the drums. You can select the NN Shishite, NN Zanove. Here we have other things that are used for the masterization of your beat, and we have the reverbs and a lot of things. If you want for me to start from zero explaining you this, just comment in the description of this video that I will be answering all the doubts that you have, and I'm here to help you. So after that, I chose NN Shishite and I drew this melody here. Okay, it's very simple. Then after this melody, I had to draw another melody here, answering this first melody. As you know, I always do that because I imagine like I have one person singing and another person answering. As this type of beat is from Zimbabwe, and here in Mozambique we are not playing with the guitar, we are playing with the computational software. So we are supposed to play it as if you are a band. For example, in Zimbabwe you will see a lot of artists playing the same music, but here a single person can play it because we are using a computer. So for example, if you want to play it as if you are alive, you are supposed to play it as if you are a band, because you will play one guitar and you look for another guitar to answer the same guitar. So for example, let us hear how this melody sounds and how this melody is answering the first melody which I drew here. So this melody, this preset is rhythm tele, and the first one is jazz. So let us play both of them to see how they are coordinating and how both of them sound. You see, they are coordinating. After that, I had to draw this melody. This is a bass. I use the subtractor. All of the plugins that I will be using here, they are free plugins, nothing to download, nothing to worry about. All of my friends who are following me, they know that I always say that the plugins that I will be using here, it is written. They are written here. For example, NN Shishite. And I drew this bass here. I use the subtractor, and the preset is bass guitar, its name. So after that, I had to draw another melody here from this plugin here. So this plugin is answering the bass. This melody here I shows one preset which is called the fretless choir, and after that I drew another melody here. And after that so let us hear how the entire tutorial let us hear how the melodies which we were playing. I have been showing you how they play together with the others melody. So guys, this was the tutorial for today's video. Please subscribe and share for your friends. Share this tutorial to your friends. This is, for me, it's the first time to speak English. If I make mistakes, please correct me, because I want to learn with you. And if you want this project also, if you want this instrumental, I can send it for free without paying, because I'm here to help you. I want that. I do have other singers here that are singing with me, and I would like also the same singers to come at your studio to sing also, since you know how to produce this type of beat. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next tutorials if you subscribe to my channel.